our breath awareness. Sitting nice and tall, chin in, chest out, eyes closed, focus in and up, and hands down this time for grounding and foundation for tonight's practice. Just let yourself unwind from the busyness of your life and bring your awareness to your breath into this moment. With each inhale, expand the navel point away from the spine. With each exhale, bring that navel point back towards the spine. Reconnect with your breath. Reconnect with yourself. And connect with each other. Each inhale allows you to expand, and every exhale to release. Let your presence through your breath set the stage for your practice tonight. So connect and bring your mind and your body and your spirit to ease. Float the hands together in front of the heart. Begin rubbing the palms, creating some heat. On your next inhale, separate those palms. And as you exhale, bring them closer together. Letting your breath find its own pace, keep moving those hands away from each other and towards each other. Playing with that space and bring your attention to the feelings and sensations happening between those palms. Is it heat? Is it cool? Is it vibration? Is it nothing? Just honoring whatever that snapshot is, knowing that is where your life force energy is at in this moment. And also knowing that through your practice tonight, it is going to absolutely change. Hands together in prayer pose, face of the thumbs into the sternum. Let's open with the Adi Mantra, the first chant, followed by Mandala chime. Inhale. Exhale. And inhale to open your practice. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Akure name, Jukakure name, Satkure name, Sri Gurudev name. Akure name, Jukakure name, Satkure name, Sri Gurudev name. Akure name, Jukakure name, Satkure name, Sri Gurudev name. Inhale, hold the breath at the top. Exhale, release the hands to the knees and open your eyes. Ooh, that feels good. Yes, welcome back. So our wisdom share tonight is all around expansion. This is the expansion class. And you know me, I always like to look up the words and see the definitions and then weave it into the tapestry of the classes. So when I looked it up, expand, expansion, and expansive, we're all around development. So to develop is what came out. And I thought, how perfect for this class to develop, to be fuller in form. So to be more of our authentic self. Perfect for our first class. And that is about fuller expression, becoming greater. So again, stepping into that true self and opening up to do so. And expansion is also about thriving, it's about growing, and it's about amplifying. And that can be done whether we're looking to step forward or we're looking to step inward. It can be expansive either way. Either way. And what Yogi Bhajan says about expansion is that we must understand that our life is for expansion. And that we will expand up to death, whether we use it up or not. Can you see him saying that? Use it up or you're going to die anyway. I mean, you could totally see him doing this, right? If we use our life, he says, it will expand beautifully. And it will benefit us, and then beautifully benefit others. Right? By taking care of self, we can offer ourselves up to others in meaningful ways. But he says you cannot stop expansion. It's going to happen. You're born to keep right on growing, is what he says. And so what I think about that is, if expansion is inevitable, then the key is to know in which way you want to expand. Right? So to be the command of what energy, what choices you make, what direction you are going in, enough so that you can deliberately expand in positive ways. Right? None of us can ever get rid of the shadow. That's not what I'm saying at all. It's what we do when the shadow shows up, or challenge shows up. So how can you not only identify, but cultivate what is beautiful within you, even in those moments of shadow, or of challenge, or of joy? What's beautiful within you? So what are your effective habits? What are your strengths? What are your unique gifts? What do you have to offer, and how do you bring those to every moment? And choose. So you are choosing what you are expanding. So with that yogic little bit of philosophy and bringing in a bit of a meditative, neutral mind to it, you can deliberately move your energy so that the beauty in your life is what is growing, what is expanding. So it's a matter of where you put your focus. Right? I've talked about that many times, just saying it a little bit differently here. Where are you going to put your attention? So think about those things as we massage the practice tonight. Let's jump into the beautiful yoga and start with the Praanayam. It's going to tune up the frontal lobe, this part of the brain that is about personality. It's going to partner up arm angles with breath of fire. So 90 degrees is very important in this. You want to keep those angles. But why we're doing it is to help you commit to your higher self. What a lovely way to start. We're committing to the higher self at the very beginning of this 11-week series with the breath. So remember that breath of fire is going to oxygenate the blood really quickly. It's going to up any of the benefits that we're doing here. It's like a little blood purification system. So you'll automatically start to feel good right from the front of this. So coming into easy pose, if you aren't already there, you can prop up using any of the pillows if you need to have your hips a little bit higher. And of course you can extend one leg out or both legs out, or bring one foot up onto your knee as you need to. Take whatever you need to be very comfortable here, because you're here for 5 minutes. Chin in, chest out, spine nice and tall. Tuck the pelvis slightly so that your heart is stacked above your navel point. Extend your arms out in front of you, parallel to the ground, and you want your right hand palm facing up, left hand palm facing down. So your right hand is open, receiving. It's asking. Your left hand is down towards the earth. It's grounding. But it's also releasing. All right, roll those shoulders on the back. Heart nice and open. Close the eyes, focus in and up at that third eye point. Take a big breath in through the nose. Exhale it out. And inhale, beginning breath of fire. Controlling and conserving your life force energy here by changing your mental state, your energetic state through the breath.
Wahe Guru, 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 Satnam, Satnam Ji, Satnam, Satnam Ji,
Remember, if you have a period or
Satnam,
to long deep breath instead.
Satnam Ji, Satnam, Satnam Ji,
Looks good. Keep going.
Satnam, Wahe Guru, Satnam Ji, Wahe Guru, Satnam, Wahe Guru, Satnam Ji, Wahe Guru, Satnam, Wahe Guru, Satnam Ji, Wahe Guru, Satnam, Wahe Guru, Satnam Ji, Wahe Guru. Satnam Ji, Wahe Guru, Satnam Ji, Wahe Guru, Satnam Ji, Wahe Guru, Satnam Ji, Wahe Guru, Satnam, Satnam Ji, Satnam, Satnam Ji, Satnam, Satnam Ji, Satnam, Satnam Ji, Satnam, Wahe Guru, Satnam Ji, Wahe Guru, Satnam, Wahe Guru, Satnam Ji, 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 Wahe Guru, Satnam, Wahe Guru, Satnam, Wahe Guru, Satnam, Wahe
top. Keep the arms where they are. Exhale. One more time. Big breath in. And hold. If you need more breaths, take a little bit in rather than exhale. We're almost there. Exhale, release the arms. Shake them out if you need to. Rest them on your knees when you're ready. Just close the eyes and take a moment to experience what you're experiencing.
Satnam, Satnam, Satnam Ji. Wahe Guru, Wahe Guru, Wahe Guru Ji. Satnam, Satnam, Satnam Ji. Wahe Guru, Wahe Guru, Wahe Guru Ji.
Inhale deeply. Sigh it out through the mouth.